In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your profile picture using Canva by adding a stylish ring or border around it. This can really make your image stand out and give it a professional finish, perfect for any social media or professional networking site. So let's dive into the process. First things first, we'll need to open Canva and head over to your Canva document. If you haven't logged into Canva yet, just hop onto your browser and type in Canva's URL and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the specific document you want to work with or create a new one if you're starting afresh. Now with your document open and ready, the next step is to add elements to your design. On the left-hand side of the Canva interface, you will see various options including Elements. Click on this. This section is a treasure trove of design goodies like shapes, lines, and frames that you can use to jazz up your project. Since our focus today is on putting a ring or border around your profile picture, keep your eyes peeled for the search bar within the Elements section. You can simply type Frame with Border into the search field. This will help you find a frame that already includes a border. Canva is pretty intuitive and will show you a range of frames that might suit your taste. If you're looking for something more specific, like a simple circle, you can search for a circle frame, and once you've selected a circle, you can then search for a ring border to place around it. This combination of search terms allows you to fully customize how your profile picture's border will look and enables you to have a more personalized and unique design. You can adjust the size and the thickness of these elements by clicking and dragging the corners of the frame and border to fit perfectly around your profile picture. Once you've found and adjusted the ideal frame with a border that suits your needs, simply drag and drop it onto your document. Make sure to align your profile picture in the center of the frame for that balanced look. You can easily adjust it by using Canva's snap guides, which help to center pictures. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully added an eye-catching ring or border to your profile picture. This simple trick not only enhances the aesthetic of your picture, but also draws attention and helps in creating a consistent and professional image across platforms. Thank you for joining me today, and have fun experimenting with Canva's diverse range of design tools. Feel free to explore more to create unique and dynamic designs. I'll see you in the next tutorial.